It's a pit bull party.
The butt sniffing party. Do we have money? Do we have donations in there?
A few.
Oh, that's good.
None specifically for Amy, but
And you guys will be really great for the adoption event in March.
yeah, puppies galore.
They'll be even bigger. Oh, look.
Oh,
Like
good.
dogs. Randall likes dogs too.
That makes me happy. I think he'll be a lot better dog if he has someone to play with.
I cleaned up so much shit in my yard today and I didn't
Oh,
get
the
a
pit bull
quarter of it.
party.
That's gonna be his buddy, I
I
think.
think so too. You want a brother, Randall? Just what I need.
What's your name gonna be? Randall and what? What's another monster Aqua Monsters name?
Oh, jeez, I don't remember.
Randall's her monster.
Sully.
Sully.
Sully works. He
Mike.
looks like a Sully.
Yeah.
That's pretty cute, I gotta say. I hate puppies, but my God.
Who hates puppies?
I hate puppies.
I don't really like puppies that much either.
I like them for years.
I fucking hate my dogs. Everybody's pooping and shitting all over the place.
I have to find a way to download this onto Pet Finder.
Oh, we should be talking. Or do you have that auto on?
I don't know.
You have